Hey guys, Sonance here. To celebrate the launch of Bass House Volume 1, I want to show the power of it. In this 3-part series we're going to make a bass drop from scratch. In the first part we're going to cover the drums, second part bass line, third part mix and mastering. So if you're already interested in the pack, check it down below. You'll get 4 presets, 3 templates and 5 groovy drum loops. The end result of the 3-part series will sound like this. So now let's dive into the drum composition. First we start off with a kick. It's a 4 to the 4 kick. Drop it in like this. Just like this. Then add a clap to every second bar of the kick. Like this. So then we start off with the open hi-hat. By the way, if you're wondering where the samples come from, it's from the Bass House Volume 1 pack. So let's add this open hi-hat. And set it to every offbeat. Just like this. Alright, so now we're gonna make it a little bit groovier. We're at the closed hi-hat. I like to add it before the open hi-hat, just like here. Something like this. Then we're going to make it a bit groovier. We're going to quantize it to the MP 60-70% swing. There you go. And that makes it a bit groovier. Then we're going to add the snare to give it even more swing. I like to put that after that open hi-hat. Around here and here. Just like this. We're going to quantize it as well. So then we're going to add a second snare to give it even more groove. I like to add it at the end of every bar. Just one here. Just like this. So now we're going to give it more power. So we're going to give it the UK center vocal. Just drag it in here and fit it to the tempo. So that's getting there, it's a bit groovier. So then we're going to use some final. Set 125 BPM. And then to finish stuff, add some scratch effects. So there's the foundation of the Bass House drums. If you want to see more, make sure to check part. If you like the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button.